Hello children of Standard 8. Today I am going to take the second chapter, Population Dynamics. Now what is population? All the people that live in a particular area is called as population. The number of people living in a particular area or state is called distribution of population. Population is expressed in terms of a percentage. The number of people living in 1 square kilometer area is called as density of population. Here is a map. You can see that China has 18.47% of the world's population. India has 17.86, followed by US 4.34. Then comes Indonesia 3.51, Brazil 2.81, and so on. So China is the largest populated area in the world, and India comes the second. According to distribution of population, we can divide the world into three areas. They are thickly populated areas, moderately populated areas, and sparsely populated areas. Thickly populated areas. The fertile river valleys and industrial regions of Eastern and Southern Asia are densely populated. This is because of intensive cultivation. Intensive cultivation means less of land and more of application of technology. The warm climate favors the cultivation of crops. There are also labor-intensive industries here. Labor-intensive means using more of labor. In Western Europe and Eastern Central America, main reasons for a high distribution of population are mineral resources, developed industries, and a suitable climate. Moderately populated areas. Moderately populated areas are found between densely populated areas and sparsely populated areas. These areas have developed new industries and facilities for irrigation and mining. Central USA, tropical West Africa, southern parts of Russia, Deccan Plateau, central China, and parts of South America are moderately populated. Sparsely populated areas. The hot deserts and cold deserts and the mountainous regions are sparsely populated. The tundra region in the north, the thickly forested region of the Amazon and the Congo, as well as the Sahara Desert, have less population. Factors affecting distribution of population. The first factor is relief. Relief means the layout of the land. The plains of the world support more population than the mountains. This is because of the availability of agricultural land and the facilities for the development of industries and transport. The Ganga-Brahmaputra plain is more populated than the Himalayas. Climate. Temperature and rainfall also influence the concentration of population. Extreme climate is not favorable to population density, whereas moderate climate facilitates population growth. Natural vegetation. Dense and inaccessible forests grow in hot and humid areas. Therefore, the Amazon and the Congo basin have sparsely populated areas. Soils. The fertile black and alluvial soils are suitable for agriculture as compared to desert and mountain soils. The development of ancient civilizations in river valleys was due to fertile soils. Availability of water. Rivers are an important source of fresh water for domestic and industrial use. Thus, people tend to settle down in river valleys. Mineral deposits. The areas rich in mineral deposits attract people. This results in higher density of population in mining areas. Industries. The development of industries provides employment opportunities. Therefore, people migrate to such areas in search of employment. Transportation. Economic activities flourish in those areas where there is a well-developed network of transport. Urbanization. Urban areas have better prospects, better living opportunities and better employment facilities. So people migrate from villages to urban areas. Migration. Sometimes government policies cause people to migrate from one place to another. For example, the British forced Indians to work in the plantations of Fiji, Malaya and Mauritius. The blacks of Africa were forced and were bought from Africa and forced to work in the farms of America.